University also. As we've gathered here, we came knowing that it's comrade-based. So I don't suggest any point that party is talking on comrade-based matter specifically. The thing that the party has addressed to us, it's matters of the national government. Tumeambiwa story ya SHA, story ya HELP, story ya affordable housing. In as much as those are the priorities, those are not the priorities for the comrades.
Thank you.
I want the party to address to us vitu kama postponement of grassroots elections. Comrades tulikuwa tumeregister, tumesacrifice pesa yetu, haijakuwa addressed. Secondly, relax.
One, no.
Secondly,
Nope. 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 Relax.
Secondly,
Nope.
we are progressing, Bwana.
Nope.
Secondly,
Don't
we
shout.
want the party to tell us
Don't.
what have they done
Don't
to
shout.
empower student
Raise your
leadership.
point. Raise your point. Don't raise your voice. Raise your point. I proceed. Yes. Kata Mike. We will move na mpangilio. Sindio? Comrades power. Comrades power. Comrades power. Nataka tuendelee na mpangilio. We said one issue, one question. So, how many, are you done with the issue? No, one. One. I want to give another lady. One. Another lady? Another lady? Get me another lady. Proceed. Get that mic.
Comrades power. Ladies in the house, hello. Men in the house, hi. Sawa sawa, naona mambo inachemka, lakini wacha tuulize hizi issues. She is right by asking where our issues as comrades are being they're evaluated. Kwa hivyo mimi nauliza maswali ya SHA. I walked into an hospital last week. I was feeling unwell. Nimelemewa. Kufika huko nikaambiwa NHIF haifanyi. Niende level 1, level 2, level 3 hospital. Now my question is, the reason as to why I chose the hospital that I walk into, because I had selected when I was using NHIF, it is because of the services na mambo ya haraka haraka. Then unanituma kwa hospitali ya level 1, level 2, level 3, ambayo congestion iko pale, hakuna madawa. Swali langu ni, what is the government doing to avoid issues ambazo tunaona kama ya Mama Lucy? Mama wanalala chini, people are sick, people are unwell. Nikienda pale nikae kwa bench, hakuna dawa, madaktari hawako. What is the government doing to improve those hospitals ambazo mnatutuma kule? Because comrade hana any. Ataenda ile Huruma hospital, kufika pale akae kwa bench. Mpaka saa ngapi? What is the government doing on that?
Thank you very much. Clap for her. I will have Professor Machuki respond to that. I'm looking for ladies. And while you are here, there's a reason I said that even if you pay fees and you don't pay attention, you will not pass your exam.